Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's Zehnlabs performance update for the week ending October 24, 2025. Our benchmark, the S&P 500, posted a gain of 1.94% for the week. Let's take a look at how our strategies performed during this week. First, the disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only, and should not be considered investment advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. All investments carry risk of loss. Performance numbers may be hypothetical or based on historical data. You must agree to the terms of service at the link shown on the screen. If you continue to watch, it will be assumed that you do. Let's start with ETF Blend 120. This strategy saw a slight pullback of 0.2% for the week. Looking at the bigger picture, this strategy is up an impressive 21.67% year to date, significantly outperforming the benchmark 16.57%. Over the past year, it has delivered a remarkable 45.38% return compared to SPY's 18.6%. And, over the past decade, it has achieved an annualized return of 46.99%, more than tripling the benchmark's 14.5%. These long-term numbers demonstrate the strategy's exceptional performance and resilience. Moving on to ETF Blend 10115. This strategy finished up 1.6% for the week. The strategy continues to deliver outstanding long-term results. Year to date, it's up 30.66%, nearly doubling the benchmark 16.57%. Over the past year, it has returned 32.42% compared to SPY's 18.6%. And over the past decade, it has achieved an annualized return of 26.58%, significantly ahead of the benchmark's 14.5%. Next up, ETF Blend 10225. This strategy experienced a minor pullback of 0.2% for the week. Year to date, this strategy is up 19.63%, outperforming the benchmark 16.57%. Over the past year, it has delivered 36.46% compared to SPY's 18.6%. And over the past decade, it has achieved an exceptional annualized return of 59.59%, more than 4 times the benchmark's 14.5%. Now for ETF Blend 235. This strategy posted a gain of 1.16% for the week. This reflects the steady, measured approach that characterizes our strategies. The long-term performance continues to be exceptional. Year to date, it's up 29.81%, nearly double the benchmark's 15.63%. Over the past year, it has returned 40%, compared to SPY's 16.56%. And over the past decade, it has achieved an annualized return of 39.9%, nearly triple the benchmark's 14.4%. Let's look at ETF Blend 340. This strategy finished up 0.32% for the week. The long-term results are truly impressive. Year to date, this strategy is up 29.29%, significantly ahead of the benchmark 16.57%. Over the past year, it has delivered 38.23% compared to SPY's 18.6%. And over the past decade, it has achieved a phenomenal annualized return of 79.7%, more than 5 times the benchmark's 14.5%. Finally, ETF Blend 30120. This strategy gained 0.66% for the week. While year to date it's up 13.39%, slightly below SPY's 16.57%, the strategy has delivered a solid 22.05% return over the past year, compared to SPY's 18.6%. And over the past decade, it has achieved an extraordinary annualized return of 96.59%, a strong outperformance compared to benchmark's 14.5%. To wrap up, this week showed the benchmark posting a strong 1.94% gain. While some of our strategies trailed the benchmark this week, this is completely normal and reflects the disciplined risk management approach that defines all our strategies. What truly matters is the long-term performance, and across the board, our strategies continue to deliver. Keep in mind that these strategies are designed for long-term wealth creation, and minor short-term volatility is a natural part of the investment journey. If you know friends or family who could benefit from these strategies, please direct them to zehnlabs.com/fintech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week.